Not every garden basks in full sunlight all day, and that's perfectly fine. Some of the most stunning plants thrive in those dappled shaded spots beneath trees or next to buildings. If you're wondering what to plant in those areas, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the best partial shade perennials that will bring beauty, texture, and even fragrance to your garden without demanding full sun. Let's get started. First up, hostas. These leafy beauties come in a variety of shades, from deep green to striking variegated patterns, making them a go-to for texture in shaded gardens. Next, astilbes. They're like delicate fireworks of color. Their feathery plumes stand tall above their lush foliage, bringing elegance to shady spots. Ever seen a bleeding heart? It's hard to miss. These heart-shaped pink or white flowers dangle gracefully from arching stems, making them a garden favorite. Ferns are a classic choice for shaded areas. With their intricate lacy fronds, they add a wild, forest-like charm to any landscape. Looking for some bold foliage? Coral bells have vibrant leaves in shades ranging from deep purples to bright chartreuse, offering year-round appeal. For something truly unique, lungwort has silver-spotted leaves that shimmer in the shade, plus delicate pink and blue flowers in early spring. Solomon's seal brings an elegant touch with its arching stems and little bell-shaped flowers, making it a graceful addition to shaded beds. Jacob's ladder gets its name from the way its leaves are arranged, like a ladder. It's a low-maintenance plant that thrives in partial shade. If you love delicate flowers, epimedium, also called barrenwort, offers tiny spurred blooms and heart-shaped leaves that shift colors through the seasons. Foxglove is a showstopper, with its tall spikes of tubular flowers creating a cottage garden vibe even in partial shade. For winter or early spring color, hellebores are unbeatable. Their cup-shaped flowers bloom when most other plants are still asleep. Wild ginger creates a lush ground cover with its glossy heart-shaped leaves, perfect for filling in shaded gaps. If you love exotic-looking flowers, toad lilies are a must. Their orchid-like blooms appear in late summer, adding intrigue when other plants start to fade. For trailing beauty, creeping Jenny spills over garden beds with its golden yellow leaves, adding a pop of brightness. And who could forget lily of the valley? Its tiny white bell-shaped flowers release an enchanting fragrance, making it a timeless favorite. If you want a dainty floral display, foam flowers offer delicate pink or white clusters that bring an ethereal feel to shaded spaces. Vinca, also known as periwinkle, is a fantastic ground cover with glossy green leaves and starry blue or white flowers. Hydrangeas are beloved for their giant globe-like blooms, and they actually thrive in partial shade. For a touch of the exotic, Bretias, a type of terrestrial orchid, bring an elegant flair with their soft lavender blooms. Late season color? Autumn anemones bloom in soft pinks and whites, extending garden interest into the fall. Looking for texture? Hakone kola, also called Japanese forest grass, creates graceful cascades of green, adding movement to your garden. Leopard plants make a statement with bold round leaves and tall spikes of bright yellow flowers. For a ground cover with charm, spotted dead nettles have silvery foliage and cute tubular flowers that brighten shady nooks. If you love dogwoods, bunchberries are their tiny cousins, producing small white flowers followed by red berries. For vertical interest, clematis can be trained to climb, adding dimension even in shaded corners. A lesser-known gem, Blue Ice Amsonia, has starry blue flowers in spring and lush green foliage that turns golden in fall. For a touch of low-maintenance beauty, sedum adapts well to partial shade, making it a great filler plant. And yes, even figs can thrive in the shade. Varieties like Brown Turkey and Chicago Hardy still produce sweet fruit without full sun. So there you have it, plenty of gorgeous perennials that thrive in partial shade. Whether you want vibrant flowers, lush foliage, or even fruit, there's something for every garden. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips.